corner, and that means everybody's gonna be going to the gym and looking for a trainer. So that means we need to market to them in December so they trust us when January comes.
Let's go.
I'm bringing everything. Make some noise!
On Tuesday, December 20th at 8 a.m., we're gonna be hosting the online clients for New Year's Masterclass.
Just hit my first 10K month.
I just had my very first $10,000 month last month.
I just hit my very first 10K month.
I just hit $10,000.
I made $18,000.
I officially broke 10K. I recommend this 100%. I've already been messaging other personal trainers I know to join.
We're gonna teach you how to set up your profile, post content, and most importantly, convert clients. It's completely free. It's gonna be packed with value. Don't miss out. Register now.